There, Leo. Hi. Cute, huh? That's cute. You have your whole little play area. Whole play area. Yeah, and this is the last day in your old house. See? All the things are moving and mommy's busy over there. And that was your bathroom and that was your little room in there. Ribbon there. Oh, TV was there. Dad? There goes your old house. That's enough of the house. I want to see you. I want to see you. I want to see you. In your red, white, and blue. I can't read the words. I just see red, white, and blue. Oh, look what you got, Leo. You smart. You picked it up. You almost have success grabbing this little lion.